What's up, everybody? Okay, so free this month on the Epic thingy is Gladiator Arena Pack, Environment Kit, Dreamscape Stylized, MPC Optimizer. Okay, let's have a look at that one. EP Master Materials. Now this one I'm looking forward to. I don't have a really incredible master material, and this could be it. In Deep Elder Caves, I've already got this one, but this is amazing. So let's have a look see, shall we? Gladiator Arena Environment Kit. Okay. Oh. Ooh. 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 Cool. AAA game. 30,000. Not too bad. Number of measures 145. That's cray cray. That's cray cray. Let's have a look here. It doesn't look too bad. It don't look too bad at all. Man, these kind of pillars and stuff like this is awesome. Animated flags. Always a winner. Always a winner, mate. Probably vertex animated. That looks a little weird, doesn't it? Weird, isn't it? Yeah, okay, the flags look a bit weird because they just stuck there. It's weird. But otherwise, very, very cool. Pretty cool. Not bad, mate. Let's have a look. Yeah, Dreamscape stylized environment. Alright, tower. Okay, so this is more stylized. This goes in with the other packs that are free, on permanently free. But if you're into this kind of style, this is pretty cool. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Very clean. Very clean. Yeah, okay. Animated birds, always a nice thing to have. You know, like when you get these packs, you don't always have to use everything. But certain elements, man, they're awesome. These kind of little thingies, little birds, stuff like that. Stuff like that. Okay, so not too bad. Water doesn't look too bad either. Looks alright. I guess, mate. Now this MPC Optimizer, it's a plugin to provide you flexible automated NPC optimization for your game. Do you have a need for large numbers of NPC? Okay, that's pretty cool. You can have large numbers of NPCs filling up your game, and it optimizes it, which is pretty cool. That's cool. This I would probably use 1,000 NPCs. Yeah, this is cool. This could be quite useful actually. Very cool. Then this is the one I've been looking forward to. This one. Eye perfection. Okay, a master material. What a master material does is it houses everything for you. It's you can usually switch things off, switch things on, displacements, normals, roughnesses, all these kind of things. Oh, this one's even got animation built into it. I mean, look at this. This is cool. Compact material function library, fully controlled. This is pretty cool. I like this. This I'll definitely use. 100%. I'll test it out. I'll see how good it is. Oh, you can merge them. You can use. Oh, what? That'll be cool. If it allows you to use ORM merged maps, or if you can divide them right there. Yeah, blend materials. I mean, this is awesome. This is wicked. This I'll definitely use 100%. This is kind of one that I've been waiting for. If you're looking for a good master material, this might be it. I'll have a look. Mate. And then this, I've got this already. This thing is absolutely ace. Ace. So I can highly recommend this one already. If you're looking for like alien environments or something, or under caves, this is just great. Look at this. All of these come with it. Ari. Look, hey, skeleton Ari. Is that Ari's sister? I heard she got a little bit skinny, Ari, but not that skinny. Beautiful assets, man. Absolutely beautiful. You can create, I mean, all of this comes with it. Little dust particles, little drips. This one's just ace, man. Definitely get this one. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful stuff, this one, isn't it? Isn't it, Ari? Yeah, man. Great stuff. Look at this little statues and stuff. I've got this one, and I love it, man. Anyway, hope you guys are good, and I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.